everybody. Wow, amazing. Okay, Shirley, please loud pray today.
Get ready. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray begins. Finish. Say greeting to teacher.
Good afternoon. How are you today? I'm good also. Nah, dear, who aren't here today? Oh, so you complete today, ya? Very good. Nah, having good spirit, ya, is having good, successful in future, ya. Nah, dear, ini kok kosong di sini, nak? Ini kenapa ada meja kosong di sini? Oh, berarti sengaja dikosongkan biar penuh di belakang. Iya. Yang suka di belakang bisa terbelakang nanti. Iya, hati-hati anak ya. Selalu terdepan seperti Yamaha ya, selalu terdepan. Oke, nah, before we start our lesson, I want to check your presence. When I call your name, please say present, okay? Anissa, Aulia, Aurel, Azra, Cynthia, Cleo. Where is Cleo? Ella, Epi, Febri, Fitria. Oh no. Indri, Kiara, Lia, Marsha, Niken, Putri, Raisya, Sherly, Shakira, Sally, Vivi, oh I'm so sorry, Siti, Pipi, Yeni. Okay, good. Nah, dear, today we are going to learn about this. Opini. Okay. Do you know what is opinion? Sure, pendapat. Yeah. Nah, before we learn about opinion, I want to ask you, are you ready to study now? Yes, very good. Let us check it out. Yeah. Okay. Nah, dear, did you ever asking or give opinion? Yes. Okay. So, how you ask someone's opinion, Pipi? When you want to know someone's opinion, how you ask?
What is your opinion about that?
Okay, very good. What is your opinion about that? Okay, the other, Shirley. Did you ever ask someone's opinion? Yes. So how you ask someone's opinion?
Like, what's your opinion about these books?
Okay, what is your opinion about this book? Okay, the other maybe Azra.
It's easier. How about you?
No, I don't. I think math makes me easy. My brain was done math. What do you think?
I don't think so. Personally, I think math has its characteristic that makes me feel excited. Well, English is also cool, but I prefer math than English.
Think so? I appreciate it. Everyone has their own choice.
Thank you, Corbin.
Nah, okay. I will play, once again. After you see this video, I hope you can, you can analyze or you can choose which one expression for asking opinion and giving opinion. Nah, jadi nanti setelah ditonton video ini kembali, kalian harus mencatat, menemukan yang mana kalimat yang digunakan untuk menanyakan pendapat dan mana kalimat untuk memberikan pendapat. Nah, jadi harapannya setelah mempelajari, after you learning how to ask and give opinion, you can, kalian bisa menggunakan expression atau ungkapan-ungkapan ini di dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Maybe when you go to mall, you meet some native, mungkin ketemu sama bule-bule di sana, atau punya pacar bule, mau communication, ingin bertanya how to, how to giving or how to asking opinion, bagaimana cara untuk menanyakan pendapat seseorang dan memberikan pendapat, Oke, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so I will play the video. After you watch this video, you have to write, menuliskan, menuliskan kalimat-kalimat, expression that use, for asking and for giving opinion. Ready? Ready? Okay.
Hi, Zach.
Hi, Corbin. What are you reading now?
Oh, I'm reading a novel, but in English. How about you?
I'm going to work on some math exercises.
Wow. Which one do you think easier, math or English?
Well, I think math is easier. How about you?
No, I don't. I think math makes it easy. My brain was done math. What do you think?
I don't think so. Personally, I think math has its characteristic that makes me feel excited. Well, English is also cool, but I prefer math than English.
Think so? I appreciate it. Everyone has their own choice.
Thank you, Corbin.
Okay, Dina? Dina? Once more. Okay, this is the last,
Hi, Zach.
Hi, Corbin. What are you reading now?
Oh, I'm reading a novel, but in English. How about you?
I'm going to work on some math exercises.
Wow. Which one do you think easier, math or English?
Well, I think math is easier. How about you?
No, I don't. I think math makes it easy. My brain was done math. What do you think?
I don't think so. Personally, I think math has its characteristic that makes me feel excited. Well, English is also cool, but I prefer math than English.
Think so? I appreciate it. Everyone has their own choice.
Thank you, Corbin.
Okay, now let's see, who are in the dialogue?
Yeah.
talking in the dialogue?
Zack.
Yeah, who's the first speaker? Zack. Okay. What is Zack asking?
Which one is easier, math or English?
Okay. Ask about Corbin doing. Okay. Then, is Zack asking something?
Yes.
Yes. What is Zack asking?
Dia bertanya apa yang dilakukan oleh Corbin.
Okay.
Kedua dia nanya Corbin itu di kemudahan bahasa Inggris atau
Okay. Asking opinion. Which one is easier? Yeah. Which one is easier? English or math? Okay. Still remember how Zack asked?
Yes, math.
Ya. Bagaimana cara Zack bertanya?
Do you think which one is easier, English or math?
Who can help me write it? Azra, help me please. Yeah, write please. Yeah, what Zack asked? Okay. Now, according to you, where the dialogue take place? At school. At school, yes, at school, but specifically in library. Yeah. Why you say so?
The background.
The background. Okay, good. Yeah, the background. So many books. Yeah, so many books, and there is a computer. Okay. Which one do you think easier, math or English? So if I ask, thank you, Azra. Sit down. Now, if I ask you, which one you think easier, English or math?
English.
Sure. Raise your hand. Who say English? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So, oh yeah. Who say math? Okay. Yeah. Nah, yeah. Actually, yeah. For student, yeah, that is not easy. Ya, ada yang mudah ya. Ya, ada yang mudah. English susah math susah math. Yang mudah apa? Main, iya. Ya, yang mudah apa? Main. Ya, ada yang mudah ya. But there are some students love learning English. Ada yang memang suka, bukan karena mudah, tapi karena suka. Ya. Dan there are some students know that English is important. Ya. Tahu bahwa bahasa Inggris itu penting ya, apalagi zaman sekarang ya, apa-apa sudah pakai bahasa Inggris. Apalagi di Indonesia lagi tren-trennya ya, punya pacar boleh, ya kan? Boleh, ya kan? Ada yang mau? Kalau mau berarti harus can speak in English. Nanti kalau kalian ditipu-tipu tak paham ya kan? Makanya harus pandai. Oke, nah second speaker is
Corbin.
Okay, and what is Corbin answer? Apa yang dijawab si Corbin? Mana yang lebih gampang katanya?
I prefer math.
Math. Okay, math. Kenapa alasannya? What is the reason? Okay, lebih menantang ya, challenging ya. Kalau English?
It's cool.
It's cool, but iya, tapi dia tetap lebih suka math. Oke, karena math itu lebih challenging ya, lebih menantang. Berarti si Jack ini suka
Challenging.
Si Jack apa si Corbin? Oke, nah, then does Corbin also ask about Jack's opinion? Yes. Apa yang ditanya? How Jack ask? Bagaimana Jack bertanya?
What do you think? How about you?
How about you? Okay, and what Jack's answer?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I-
Because si Corbin prefer
English.
What is his reason?
Because the math is easy.
Easy. What does easy mean?
Pusing.
Okay, nah, ya. So, which one do you think is here? Yeah. Do you think? Yeah. And when si Corbin say, I don't think so. What does it mean? I don't think so. Iya, berarti bertolak belakang. Ya, bertolak belakang. Oke. Nah, let's see. Okay, here I will give you some expression about asking and giving opinion. Yeah. Is it clear? Nah, here is opinion. Opinion is a personal belief. Yeah. So it means that can we make wrong? Yeah. Can we say your opinion is wrong?
No.
Can we? Can we?
No.
Yeah. Why? Because opinion is someone's opinion, someone's belief. Yeah. Personal belief. Yeah. So please, yeah, you never say that someone's opinion is wrong. Okay. Yeah. Nah, here are some expression for asking opinion. So I hope you can write it first. Silakan ditulis. Ya, ambil notesnya, ambil bukunya, silakan ditulis. Tulis ya. Now after this, we are going to practice a dialogue. Yeah? So please, you write it faster. Semua catat ya, Nona. Tres. Putri finish. Okay. Now, here are some expression ya for asking opinion. Nah, actually there are two ways ya for asking opinion. There is informal and formal ways. Ya. Finish. Now, when you see the video, yeah, there are some expressions saying agree and disagree. Yeah, as you know that, who said I don't think so? Who said I don't think so? Siapa tadi yang bilang I don't think so? Or me. Okay. So when you agree on someone's opinion, you can use these expressions, yeah? Okay. Now, here are expression to say this agree, yeah, with someone's opinion. Please write it. Done? Okay. Next. Nah. Yeah, here is a sample of dialogue. Now here, please write the dialogues. Then we are going to practice the dialogues. Yeah. back. Siapa yang di belakang? Ella boleh maju Ella. Ella maju ke sini. Ya, biar ada pasangannya. Ya, biar pas. Oke, nah, so each page masing-masing pasangan ya, you decide ya, siapa yang menjadi A dan siapa yang menjadi B. Oke, ready? Ready? Who wanna be the first? Siapa yang pertama? Anyone? Anyone? Okay, good. Next, Ingrid ya. Ya. Okay. Just stand up there, di situ aja, ya. Nanti after this, listen ya. After we read this dialogue, we are going to create our own dialogue, ya. Jadi setelah nanti praktek ini, kalian akan buat dialog masing-masing. Okay, let's hear the dialogue between Azra and Ingrid. Please.
What do you think about online learning?
I think it's helpful, but sometimes not interactive.
I agree. It's terrifying, but we can use direct communication.
Okay, good. Keep up. Okay, next. Who wanna try? Okay, Stanley and Ina. Yeah, please stand up there.
What do you think about online learning?
I think it's helpful, but sometimes it's less interactive.
I agree. It saves time, but we can miss direct communication.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I need 3 more. Yeah, Wana. Okay, please keep it.
What do you think about online learning?
I think it's helpful, but sometimes less interactive.
I agree. It saves time, but we can miss direct communication.
Okay, nice. Next, let's try. Oh, Febri. Okay, good. Febri, stand up. Febri and Niken, yeah? Okay.
What do you think about online learning?
I think it's helpful, but sometimes less interactive.
I agree. It saves time, but we can miss direct communication.
Okay, good. Next. Slide. Sebelah sini, ada yang mau coba? Okay, good. Ya. Sakira. Lia. Okay, good.
What do you think about online learning? I think it's helpful, but sometimes less interactive. I agree. It's a time, but we can miss direct communication.
Okay, good. Gelas, want to try? Gelas. Oh yeah, Nisa, please.
What do you think about online learning?
I think it's helpful, but sometimes less interactive.
I agree. It saves time, but we can miss direct communication.
Okay, good. Nah, this for you. Yeah, what do you think about online learning? Did you ever do online learning?
Yeah.
When? When did it?
Saturday.
When COVID melanda. Yeah. How long COVID melanda?
2 years.
3 years. Start from when you start? 23 almost done. Yeah. I think it's helpful. Are you agree? Do you agree? No. Why?
Because makes you lazy.
Lazy. Yes. Yeah. I think so. Yeah. Because my child also anak yang sendiri ya when online learning sambil balik-balik belajar ya main and learning ya so make students be lazy. Okay. Nah agree ya agree ya because online learning is very helpful, sangat membantu katanya. Tapi ada tapinya, sometimes less interactive. Gimana mau interaktif begini, ya kan? Hanya menjadi pendengar, kemudian bertanya pun terbatas. Dan kita nggak bisa lihat gesture, ya bagaimana gesture someone. terhadap apa yang kita sampaikan. Ya, oke. It saves time. Ya, saves mean
Hemat waktu.
But we can use direct communication. Apa maksudnya? Iya, tidak terjadinya komunikasi secara langsung. Ya, nah, oke. Nah, now we are going to do a project ya. Kita akan bagi ke dalam in pairs saja ya. You do in pairs to create a dialogue. You choose one of these topic. Ya, one of these topic. Ya, the first is social media. Second, school uniform. And the third, homework. The last, online shop. Yang mana yang paling membahagiakan? Online shop. Ya, okay. So you have to choose one of them. There are 4 topics here. Ya, you have to choose one of them. Pilih salah satu. And you create dialogue in pairs. Ya, buat dialog secara berpasangan. Ya. Asking for your friend's opinion. Okay. Then in giving opinion, you can give it agree or disagree. Paham ya? Okay. Understand? Any question? Ada pertanyaan? No? Silakan. Ya. Silakan dikerjakan. Maybe 10 minutes enough ya. Cukup 10 menit saja ya. Yuk silakan dikerjakan di buku latihannya. After finishing writing, you have to practice in front of your friends. Atau ada yang bisa langsung praktek without writing? No? Okay, you read it first, then practice ya. Buat dulu dialognya, setelah itu practice. Boleh bolak-balik bertanya. Gimana bolak-balik bertanya? Ya, maybe the first, maybe ask Abby, ya, ask Abby's opinion. Then Abby's ask Abby's opinion. Ya, boleh. Silakan. Jadi polite asking. Ya. What do you choose? Social media. Social media. In social media, you also can choose one of social media or all. Ya, boleh. Mau semua, mau tentang sosial medianya, atau mungkin bertanya sosial media mana yang paling disukai, ya kan? What social media you use? Instagram? Yes. WhatsApp? Yes. Facebook? No. Mama-mama yang suka Facebook ya. Sekarang banyak konten kreatif. Ya. Nah, online shop juga banyak platform ya kan? Yang paling suka Shopee siapa? Ada lagi TikTok ya? TikTok media sosial juga bisa juga online shop. Ya kan? Nah, tadi di dalam catatan kalian ada 2 ways, ada 2 untuk menanyakan opini. Ya, ada formal and informal. Jadi based on the situation ya, nah kamu ngomong dengan siapa? Kalau antar teman, ya boleh-boleh saja, sah-sah saja menggunakan non formal, ya kan? Nanti masa ngomong sama Pak Menteri pakai informal?
agree if student use uniform to school? Apakah siswa itu harus pakai seragam? As you know that, in other countries, many students don't use uniform, tidak harus pakai uniform. Nah, you can give your argument, you can give your opinion. Do you agree or no? If you agree, what is your reason? If no, what is your reason? Okay. Then maybe about online shop, and why you choose online shop? Because the price is cheaper, lebih murah. Hanya saja terkadang terkendala dengan ongkir. Okay, now because our time mostly up, let's see. Okay, stop writing first. Yeah. Okay, your project. Yeah, you can continue at home. Yeah, to create your dialogue. Then we are going to practice this next meeting. Yeah. Okay. Now, do you understand about the expression how to ask and how to give an opinion? Yes. Okay. Now, and as you know, there are two ways to ask opinion. Yeah, formal way and informal way. So you have to use their expression. Yeah, based on the situation. Berdasarkan situasi. Ya. To whom you speak, ya, kepada siapa Anda bicara. Jadi kalau kepada teman-teman, it's okay, ya, boleh digunakan non formal. Tapi when you speak to elder, ya, your teacher in formal situation, you have to use formal. Paham ya aku? Okay, so far any question about this? About our topic today? Okay, now I want to ask you. There harus reflect ya, kita mau merefleksi. Ya, what did you learn today? Apa yang dapat dipelajari hari ini? Apa yang kamu dapat hari ini? Oke, nah so ketika mungkin berbicara dengan orang asing, you have to use English, ya, you can use the expression, ya, sudah paham cara bertanya, ya, khususnya menanyakan pendapat atau bahkan memberikan pendapat. When you disagree someone's opinion, ketika kita nggak setuju juga, kita bisa menggunakan ekspresi yang oke. Nah, are you happy today? I hope you always enjoy in learning English. Why? Yeah, you have to make sure yourself that English is important. Harus meyakinkan diri sendiri bahwa bahasa Inggris itu penting dan tidak susah, ya, tidak sulit, ya. Kenapa orang berpikir seperti kata si tadi ya? Matematika membuat saya pusing. Nah, mungkin beberapa teman juga memikirkan bahwa bahasa Inggris itu sulit, ya. Kenapa nggak tahu artinya, ya? The more you practice, ya, the more fluent in English, ya. Semakin banyak kita praktis, semakin lancar, ya. How we can practice it? By listening music, ya. Listening English song. Jadi sering mendengar lagu-lagu dalam bahasa Inggris dan practice. When I ask you practice dialogue, just practice. Bukan dipraktekkan, ya. Jadi tidak malu-malu. Dan teman-teman yang lain juga, when your friends practice in English, ya, nggak mengejek, ya, tidak membuli. Paham ya? Okay. Nah, that's all for today. And remember, next meeting we are going to practice the dialogue. And make sure, ya, pastikan semuanya minggu depan sehat, bisa hadir lagi di dalam kelas ini untuk mengikuti pembelajaran selanjutnya. Oke? Nah, kebetulan semua lengkap hari ini, berarti minggu depan semuanya sudah punya pasangannya masing-masing to practice the dialogue. Oke, ya. Who choose online shop? Siapa yang pilih online shop? Ada yang pilih online shop? Oh, oke. Nah, who choose uniform? Ada. Oke. Nah, who choose media social media? Oke. Oke. Nah, buat sebagus mungkin, ya, nak. Oke, because it the homework, ya, minimal 3 times for speaker. 3 kali berbicara untuk satu speaker minimal, ya. Minimal. Oke, paham? Okay, if there is no question, that's all for today. Thank you for attention. Let's close our meeting today. Keep your things, yeah. Save yourself. Okay. Please pause our meeting today. Right.
Yeah, ready. Before we end the lessons, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Say greeting to teacher. Good
afternoon. See you next week.
Say thank you to teacher.
Okay, give applause for you.